What's that? What's that? What's that to my face, Barry? I'm standing right here. You think you're such a tough guy?
You're such
Why don't
a
you
tough
say it
guy.
to my face, huh? Why don't you make a move? Because
Why do
you
I
can't.
got to?
Because you get your
got
ass
to move.
kicked. That's
Yeah.
why. Because you're an idiot.
Now, that was a 2017 incident where this guy came in to complain about a parking ticket that he received and ends up getting confronted and accosted and assaulted in part by Officer Magnifico and other officers.
Get on the ground right now. Don't you f***ing move. You understand me? Don't you f***ing move. Now you're in for it. Okay? You want to f*** around? This is what happens. Okay? You done now? Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Can't breathe, man. I don't care.
Fast forward to June of this year, there's a 39-second viral video that takes off on social media showing Officer Magnifico doing something very similar to these two kids at a Sheetz gas station where...
Hey folks, welcome to another deal of Chief Arthur Review. You've seen, if you've been watching my channel over the last couple of days, you've seen that I've been bringing up commentators, former cops, current cops. This is an attorney, a civil rights attorney. John Bryant, check him out, civil rights lawyer. Great job. Always very fair. I like that part a lot. And so he had Magnifico in some, a couple of his deals right there. So I just figured I'd kill a few birds here with one stone. So great job from him and stuff. Let's talk Magnifico really quick. You saw the incident there where he was confronting a kid out there about a parking ticket and stuff, and the kid now can't breathe, and he's saying, "I don't care," and he's got these. It's absurdity, and so I don't know why they didn't get rid of him then. But then he has this other video like a couple of years ago here that went viral. But I want to show you and tell you what happened as a follow-up to this. Okay, I also want to use this to highlight how bad policing is right now in some places. And with guys like this, whatever happened to him? Is he still there? Is he, what's going on? So that's why I'm here to do this. Third, the big picture is, if you see my channel, I want to talk to you guys about what can we do to more effectively get rid of bullies and thug criminal cops like this. I have some ideas. I was a chief for 20 years, a cop for 35 years, and I treated people with respect and kindness. But bad cops, I held them accountable. I fired union presidents. I've arrested. I've convicted. So I held them accountable, and they should be. I want to continue that on. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll tell you my total story about what else brings me here, how they came after me, and so forth. So stick around. Let's build this together. The only way we're going to compete with the FOP, the nationwide union and stuff, and get rid of qualified immunity is by starting our own organization that can lobby the legislature. There are many more of us than there are of them. We need to have something to combat that and offset it and go after these bad cops. I have ideas to do it. I just need people continuing to help my channel grow so we can have enough impact on cities that if somebody is a bully cop there, that I can confront that city manager, that chief, and put pressure to go, let's get rid of these people. Let's purge these bad ones and continue to get good ones and train them well. So let's watch the rest of this thing, see what happens. It's unbelievable crap, but I'll update you on where he's at and what's going on.
One of them wanted his phone back from a Sheetz employee.
Here. It's a public place. You're not.
Who's here?
Okay?
Please tell me who's here.
I'm here.
I don't give a bro. I want my phone.
Bro, understand this, son.
Yo.
I'm not gonna put up with your shit.
Yo.
Understand who you're talking to.
What the
Wow. Unbelievable.
Yo.
Not gonna put up with your crap. I told you to quit yelling and screaming. You're not allowed in here. Leave.
Black gloves. So embarrassing.
My name is Magnifico. My badge number is 5815. Don't touch me.
Get the
Me again.
bro. Where your butt?
In both of these incidents, we see Officer Magnifico quickly turn to violence, not because it's necessary, but because some peasant within his jurisdiction dared to use a profane word in his public presence. In the 2017 incident, just before the guy was violently arrested for complaining over a parking ticket, Magnifico tried to tell him it was illegal to use a profane word in public.
What makes you think you can talk to us like that?
Talk to you like what?
Mother effing him. Why do you think you can do that on a public street? You can't. It's against the law.
So nobody heard me.
You still can't do it. In a public place, you can't do it.
Nobody heard me.
It doesn't make a difference. You're on a public street. The problem is nothing.
It's public, right?
Nothing, right? It's public, and you can't cuss and swear in public. It's against the law.
Which, at least according to the U.S. Supreme Court, it's not, especially in the context of conversing with law enforcement. One of the biggest U.S. Supreme Court cases in the area of the First Amendment is Cohn versus California from 1971, where the court held that wearing a jacket with the phrase "F the draft" in a courthouse was protected speech. The use of profanity to express political opinion does not lose First Amendment protection simply because it's offensive. Verbally criticizing police officers with profane words, such as saying "F the police," is also protected as political expression. Now, obscene speech, according to Miller versus California in 1973.
Guys, go on to his channel, Civil Rights Attorney, like I said, if you want to hear more about this stuff. I don't want to take it on from that perspective. I want to tell you that John Bryant's a good egg. He's fair about it, just like James Madison. Thank you, James Madison, former cop. I want to get with these people. So if any of you guys have contact with them, you watch their channels, suggest us doing a channel together one night, doing a live stream together, team up, strengthen numbers. You know, good people call good cops. The cops that see this stuff and say that the cop's right and so forth, they're absolutely either blind or they're lying. It's ridiculous. I'm so tired of it. These chiefs get in there and want to get retirement, so they don't touch these guys at all. And the other guys, the union ends up running the department. So stick with me on these things, guys. I've got a lot more to come on this channel, but I will be also, leave your comments down there. I want to hear from you guys. Great engagement and stuff, but tell me about this. So I'm going to update you in a second about where he's at and stuff, but what do you guys think of, you know, I've heard about the policing this bad, but what are some ideas to change that? When we live stream Thursday night, 7 o'clock, I need all of you guys to be there. Set your bells, please. Guys, I'll always be fair on this channel. But with me, you get 35 years as a chief, 35 years as a cop, 20 as a chief, and so forth. I know how to handle these things. We grow this channel to be big enough player to where when I call city government or we go after cops and bad cops and purge them, we will get the job done, okay? They'll listen to strength in numbers. I also want to create an organization that competes with the FOP. Pay a $5 dues a month and let's get 1 million people in there. That's what we should be doing. It hasn't been done. I also want to start a Brady Giglio list and stuff, and I have the means to do it, the know-how and everything, to where we the people can be checking on who they are hiring, where they are, what they've done. So lots of things coming that are going to be a lot of fun for us, and I need you guys to stick with me. Watch the video to the full length if you can. Share and like and subscribe. Encourage your other people. I want to hit, we're close to 1,000 subscribers. I need that 1,000. And guys, I leave my in the description, I'll leave you the Venmo, PayPal, and other ways and stuff that you can contribute to the channel and, you know, help this stay going and so forth. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So here's the deal. Here's what happened. Magnifico assaults the first kid, okay? 2017, nothing's really done. Then he does the second one that went viral, and the city council, good job, Elk City, or whoever, I think it was Elk City, great job in holding him accountable. They took at least some steps. They demoted him. They almost never do. They gave him 10 days off without pay, a couple of things. Bottom line, though, is that's not enough. He should have been fired, right, viewers? How many viewers believe he should have been fired based on his activity versus being demoted? Because demoted means this. He's demoted. They have what's called a contract, okay? Collective bargaining agreement. A lot of departments have them, okay? It just tells you what you can do as a police chief and in what order. I have to go through all kinds of hoops to get them to go away. So when I demote them, they can instantly file, let's see, I go through investigation. They have rights in the investigation, rights to an attorney, all that stuff. Then I decide I'm going to discipline them. I have to send them notice of that. Then they can grieve it. They can contest it. And then if they lose the grievance, they can go into arbitration. It's just a whole bunch of steps. The cities have to spend a lot of money defending those things, you know, going to on that. And it's an arbitrator, usually from out of state, never been a cop, and they're going to come and decide this stuff. And they give horrible rulings. So it takes a lot for a chief to go through these steps. And when you do it, the officers are going to come for you too. And so as a chief, I didn't have a right to an attorney. I didn't have any protection or anything. So as we move forward, let's continue to talk about these things and let's get this thing done. We need to get rid of cops like that. So After they did that, though, guess what happened? He was still on shift. He was still the lead person. He still made almost as much money as that, or even maybe more. It's crazy how that works. So the state attorney general had the courage to come in here and take the case on it. They charged him with a crime. Yes, you heard it right. They charged him with a crime. We've seen people get beat up and stuff that don't get charged. Charge him with a crime, and then he retires, forced retirement, okay, which is great news. They plead it down to a lesser charge, but so what? He's out of law enforcement. He can't be a cop again with that kind of crap. Thank you, Lord, right? And those cops that say otherwise on this thing are either blind or they're lying. It's crap. Colleagues, I'm calling out to you guys, the current cops, the former cops, stand up and be heard like me. We need an organization, guys. 900,000 cops are organized. They have attorneys. They lobby the legislature. We need the same thing. We could have millions of people. I'll start it out. My day one, $5 dues a month. Let's have attorneys on staff. We could grow this thing to be huge, and we would be able to meet monthly, quarterly, yearly, and be able to have attorneys ready to file suits, lobby the legislature. I'm going to be harping on this for a long time. 7 o'clock Thursday night. Set your timers, set your bell, because we will live stream that night. And not this one, but the next one probably is the one where you can call in and we can talk that way. Will be great. But guys, let's grow this channel, okay? I'm going to continue to call out bad cops and hold them accountable, while at the same time I'll applaud good policing. Not anti-policing, I'm anti-bad policing, okay? So thank you guys for everything. Please like, share, subscribe. My deals, like I said, are in the description, Venmo, PayPal, and that. I'd really appreciate that part. Keep me going. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and I will see you on the next one.